I'm Satiraj. I am working as a Java programmer in a C.V.R solution. Now I am going to talk about multimedia domain. The title name is Layered Internet Network in Multimedia Streaming. In this, the client is going to download a video from the sink. In the existing, the client is going to give the request to the sink. The sink will respond to each client according to the request. So there will be no virtual server network coding in the existing. In proposed, we are going to implement a virtual server network coding in a proposed. So that the advantage is, if the client is asking the same file request, so that the client will the sink will respond with divided by the it will divide the video into three segments, like according to the client request. So let's see the objects of the multimedia title. In this, the client is going to log in to the server page, and the client is going to request to the sink to download some file. So if the three client is going to give the same request, then this two client is going to give the same request to the sink, so that the sink will separate the three video into three part, and it will send the first part to the client 1, and second part to the client 2, and third part to the client 3. And if these two are asking the same request file, means it will get send the video to the first part to this, and for second part is. So then the virtual server will split all the file into according to the peer capacity, so that the client will get the remaining parts from the each client. So client will get the second part from client 2 and client 3, and client 2 will get the remaining part from other clients. Like this, 4 and 5 will get the each part according to the so that the sink will response each request according to the client same file, so that the response time will be reduced in this proposed system. In existing, response time will be high, so that we cannot perform high performance. The conclusion of the project is, so that we can reduce the performance of the sink to divide the file into the according to the client request.